Morning, lads. It is literally, it's not even 7:30 yet. It is 7:27 in the morning, and we are at our first job over in Wilmslow. Yeah, I'm Wilmslow. That's another thing then. Yesterday was completely not a write-off, which is now means the two jobs from yesterday and the two jobs today I've all got to try and cram in before it rains. Because it will rain today. I think it's rained. I think I've seen some stat this morning. It's rained like 80 days and we're only 101 days into the year. You can also say, oh, get a gazebo. I've had a gazebo, but there's times where you can't even use a gazebo either. The rain's coming in sideways or it's too windy. Unfortunately, yesterday it was one of those situations. So, came over to Wilmslow. I've now made no money on this job because I've had to come back, it happens. But you've got to do what's right for the customer. Came over yesterday morning. Was raining a little bit, so quickly tackled the rear seats, managed to hoover that out. Then it started to rain, so I was like, well, it's raining, I can always wash a car. So I washed all the outside of it. Friggin', I had to use acid on the rims because they were that baked in. And because the rims were already wet and the acid is diluted, it was diluted even more. So that was a bit of a struggle. And then the wind was absolutely howling. It nearly ripped off my little shelter that I put over my barn doors. I don't know, barn doors? Is that what they're called? Or was the barn door the one that lifts up on? No, tailgates. The one that goes up. I'm waffling. You can tell it's early. I don't know what I'm talking about. That nearly got ripped off. Everything got absolutely soaked. I had my waterproof jacket, that got wet. I had my body warmer on, that got wet. I had this on and that got wet. I might as well have just jumped in a bath and I would have come out drier. So as I was driving home, obviously I took all the tops off and all that stuff, just had my t-shirt on. And even that was too wet. I ended up black and defeating on full whack and then driving home with my top off. Some of the looks I was getting from people like, it's fucking lightning outside, lad, and you've got your top off. But yeah, managed to dry out. Went over to another valeter, gave him a bit of TFR that he needed. And then I was tempted to put the gazebo back in, but it was raining that much. I just didn't want to unload half the van and throw the gazebo in. So I messaged all the customers last night saying, look, I do apologise, I'm just going to be all over the place. Because this morning I've come from our base in Chadderton over to Wilmslow. I've then got to go Wilmslow over to Heaton Park, which is the other side of Manchester. And the kicking in the teeth is to come back out this way to Wivenshaw. And then from Wivenshaw, I actually don't know where I am after Wivenshaw. I will be in... No, that's that one. That's that one. M14, where's that? Oh, South Manchester Longside Way, yeah. So yeah, I'm literally to and fro it, bounce and forth, because it's just the times everyone's picked. It's one of those days. I've got no. That's what excuse me stretching. Thursday's full. Friday morning's full. I've got one job that I was meant to do today that I've pushed back to Friday afternoon. So Friday afternoon's full. Saturday's full. Sunday I'm having off. Monday's already booked. And that's it at the moment. So yeah, just obviously the weather doesn't help. Don't need to bang on about it. If you work in this industry, you know about the amount of times you've got to fight with the weather. But it's like lads who don't have gazebos and that, how much money are they losing? Luckily, because we take deposits, clients can't really cancel and say, oh no, I'll get it done another time. It's like, well, we've got your deposit, you kind of going to still get it done. So we'll see. But yeah, first job is at 7:45. Just park up round the corner. I've got a lovely view this morning. It's not often I get a view, and I will show you because it is worth it. I've come down to just past the customer's address. Got myself a little river to look at this morning. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do for me better than sitting in the Mackie's car park. Right, let's crack on with today. So this is today's job, mould removal. It's all over the place, as you can see. So we're going to mask up, throw a load of super clean sanitizer in it, and then give it a dry hoover, and then steam it, and then wet back it, probably steam it again, wipe it all down, freshen it all up, and we'll stick the ozone machine in this one as well. Now let's get into it today then. Second time on Spotless today. It's just gone. Well, it is 5. Don't mean to do that. It's 5 to 6 in the evening. I'm done for the day at last. Absolutely knackered. Did that S-Max this morning, and then we went on and did that Honda CRV. I didn't really film anything apart from what you've just seen. The customer's out just chatting to me, and if the customer's going to talk to me, I'm going to give them the attention and talk to them back. So yeah, good day. That's it for today. Tomorrow morning can't film because we're at a super secret expensive client car house, and then Saturday is going to be a hell of a busy day. But yeah, that is it. I'm going to combine yesterday's vlog and today's vlog into one nice big vlog, hopefully. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, lads. As always, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you would have done anything different as well, let me know in the comments below. Appreciate it.